Hey, welcome back everybody. How's everybody doing? Well, here we're working on the Polaris 1000. Now, if you're seeing my channel, you know that I wrecked this thing trying to go up a hill. It grabbed and threw me into a tree right at the top of the hill, and it went tumbling down, and as you've seen, got stuck in the tree. Well, generally you can't do all that. Oh, what's somebody shooting on in there? Oh, this way. All right, well, generally you can't go through that without some kind of damage. Well, do you see the damage here? Look, can you see how tilted in that wheel is? I mean, this one's a little bit, but look at that thing. See how tilted in? I don't know if you can see it from this angle better. Yeah, see how crooked that is? That might show you a little better. Well, what I'm thinking is that this bar took a hit because the tire is not, and first of all I thought, okay, maybe it's the rim. No, the tire runs straight. It's just bent, so you can see the paint's chipped off there. See that? It's a classic sign of stress, right? That's some stress there. So I think you can see a little bit over here. See how it's wrinkled? See that? That's stress. So this got pushed that way. Probably when it hit, all the force hitting on this tire bent that bottom thing, that bottom A-frame. Now I'm hoping that's it, because I went and got me, ordered one on eBay, another frame. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take this apart. We're going to put that one on, and we hope it's straight. If it's still not straight, then we'll have to go on from there a little farther. But I didn't see no stress cracks anywhere else. Now, once we start taking this apart, we might find them. I don't know. But that's where we're going to start. So I decided to turn it on and bring you guys and gals with me, and let's find out what's wrong. Okay, since I got this fancy bowl nuts on here, got to use the thing to take them off. I wanted to get regular, but I couldn't find them. So I hate having to carry this with me, but I just throw it in the bike, you know, so don't run away or whatever. Let me get beat up or whatever. All right. Alright, now we got to take this. Now, looking at this here, now looking at it, I think I might be able to take it off without taking all this off. That's what I'm going to work on. I'm going to work on trying to take it off without having to take that whole ensemble off. So let me get some tools here and we'll get her going. Okay, got a 15 here, 15 millimeters for the bottom one. There we go. Put the gun. Alrighty, and that's the bottom free. Now what we need to do is get this shock free. Same thing. Come on, I got to run it out, I guess. There we go. Shock / spring free. Now we got this. We're going to take this off of here. And really what needs to be taken off is this down here, because this is what's going to be removed. Alright, I got to get a pair of vice grips to hold that from spinning. Before we do that, let's double check all this. Let's tap that out. Now, this inner one is going to have to be tapped here. Let's see if we can. What I'm afraid of. Okay, I'm going to have to get a short one for the inside, and then I got to get a for that. Let me go grab it. I'll be right. All right, I figured that might have been still too small, so I grabbed the 3/8. Maybe that's going to be it. Let's move it. We're getting it. Let's move it. Again, I got to use this. Come on. Get out. That don't want to come out. But I do have these. I'll have to get a tap that out of there. Let's finish this up. There it is. Keep that stuff together. That's free. I'm gonna leave that there. The only issue is that's gonna have to be cut out of there. I don't even know why they did that. This one's on, okay. Is that the same way? No, okay, I'm gonna have to break it. Okay, I gotta get something to, there it is, that's loose. Then I gotta tap that out of there and cut this. I know you can't see nothing, can you? Okay, so this, they pop rivet that on there. I ain't taking that off, just gonna cut that. And you can see how these didn't want to come out very easily. So they're gonna have to be hit out. So let's get you in a better location here. Okay, let's get that thing beat out of there. Whew, there we go. Man, that thing didn't want to go either. That's why I'm using a, and you say, you disturb it. Oh, yeah, here we go. There we go. Now this is a brass hammer, so that'll keep me from destroying the thread. Okay, can't take them both at the same time. Let's get this one out of here. Okay, let's scoop this one out. Okay, it's coming out easy. Yes, there we go. And look at that bolt. You see that? It's bent. There goes that front one's bent. The bolt was bent. Good thing we got other bolts. All right, now we should go pull her out. I got that cut off with some scissors. Come on. There we go. Got her out. Let's line her up here. Look at the, kind of see a difference, can't you? See it? It don't line up exactly great. So that's what I suspicion. So let's got my tripod malfunction. Let's put the other one on. Good thing now that one, so you can just pop that in. And we got new bolts. So let's put them in there. Now we're going to hope for the best. Let me look at something. Okay, everything's all right. I was just, something looked a little bent, but I have my 850 over there, which is the same, more or less the same bike. Just got this one's got a bigger engine. It's a 1000. The only difference. And really, it comes down to the bore, and now the heads are different. But hey, that's for something else. All right, let's get this in here. Okay, that one went there. Now this, I gotta turn it around. Let's make them that. I'm gonna look how dark it is. Gotta match the other side, right? Well, that went in there halfway decent. Not too bad. Let's get that going in there. Now I'm gonna spray some of this rubber stuff before I put it back together. All right, here's my. Let's put that in there. Hopefully keep that from squeaking, right? You ever had them squeaking them? All right, now we ran into something else I just seen. I think the top one is bent. All right, let's look at her here. Because it don't want to line up. Yep. Let me show you here. Look how far off it don't want to line up. So, you need to figure this out. That's way up there. So what is it? It's probably this one here is bent too. So, you know what that means? You got to order another one. Yep, I'm gonna have to order that one. And I kind of can look at it. It does look kind of bent. It's just you can't see it. All right, well, I should have known probably that that was bent, but I couldn't really tell that this one's bent and the way it's set up. I better make sure it's not something else bent. Okay, everything else seems in where it should be. All right, well, this one's gonna have to wait until I get the other part. Let's look up in there. It all looks decent. So what it comes down to is this top one's bent. So let me put you back in here. I hate to have this thing down, but I can't move it. You know, so let me see. I gotta order it. Pull that out. Pull that out there. Put this bottom one back in. Sorry if I'm getting in your way. Gotta see something here. There we go. All right. You can kind of see, can't you? How that thing's bent. We have to look at that a little closer, but we're talking a whole inch. Let's go ahead and throw this one in here. Okay, shock on. You know the bottom one's good. So that means that top is what's damaged there. Yeah. I doubt if we can hit that or do anything with that. I don't. But see, I can't see nothing. Nothing. So I'm looking at the subframe too. I want to look at the frame to make sure it's not bent, and it's not. It's not a problem, so it's got to be that. Let's try something real quick. This probably won't work, but let's see. Well, actually it is kind of working. It's something pulled loose. That is weird. It is kind of, in a weird kind of way, it's working. Well, it's shortened the gap of hair. Wow. Huh. I just can't believe that that's even halfway working. I just can't get a slam on it. Huh. Yeah, let me think about it for a little bit what to do here. Alright, I pried it over with this. It's probably not going to be right. I still need to order one. But I just want to try to get it back. Try to get it at least where I can, so I can put it back together and move it around. So it's not a brick. It'll be out for how many days it takes to get one. So I got it pried in there. Got to get this thing beat up. But here's my problem. There it is. Need my dead blow hammer. I'll destroy stuff. Okay. Huh. She don't want to cooperate. She don't want to cooperate. I might need to come up with it. Let's take this back off and see. bring it up. Help me get it in there. That's tight. Okay, we'll be there. Up a little bit. Come on. Almost. She don't want to go in there. Let me work with it. You don't have to watch this. All right, I ain't gonna go. So I'm glad to get it this far because at least it can set on there, and I'll get one ordered for that. I'm gonna go ahead now. I ain't gonna tighten these up because get these here. I got this here because I want to be able to move it to get it in there. But what I do want to do is I gotta put this back in there. I should have done that when I had it. So vice grips back. We're gonna put this back on here. Hope I can zip this off. There it goes. Yep. Oh, come on. Pain in the butt. Okay. I'm going to have to remove the other side to be able to move this up. Okay, so let's put this back in here. So, let's go over here. And I'll pull that off on the other side. Well, it came right off easy. Now we can pick this up, put this one in, and then put this one back in too. Now that got moved over too, now that I'm looking at it. This hole got shifted over. See it up here, the stabilizer bar. This bar here got shifted over. Let's see if we can. Whoop, too far. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now we're back in business. And let's put this one back on here. Come on. Make sure the screws on there straight. Okay. Okay. All right, so this is going to have to stop here until I get the other piece. So I'll bring you back and we'll continue on. It'll be just a minute for you, probably be a few days for me. All right, everybody, hey, I wanted to show you and tell you what was wrong with my Polaris. If you've just seen the video, of me replacing some parts. You know, I knew this one was bent, you know, because I seen it, some paint come off here and here. And this one here was the upper one. And kind of, it was bent too. You can kind of see it's bulged up there. Well, here I'll really tell you the story. See how it's hit? And it's bulged up over there. And then just looking at it, you can kind of see how it's kind of bent. It's kind of bent back. So that was the damage from that accident of rolling back, flipping on the side there. So I got it all put back together. I just wanted to show you all that, the issues of that. This is, you know, simple as you can see. It's pretty easy to change out, just that bolt and this here. But just want to finish up showing the whole mess and what happened. I saw the video that I put together and like, hey, I got to finish that up. So, all right, well, here it is. And hey, thanks for watching. I hope if somebody has any issues or problems, hope this helps them take off their suspension and get them back on the trail again. And like always, thanks for watching. Have a good day.